Lay perpendicular to the bench with your shoulders resting, your knees at 90-degree angle, and your feet on the floor with your hips elevated. Inhale and get ready for the exercise. Flex your glutes and your hamstrings behind you, and exhale as you lower your hips toward the floor. Inhale at the bottom of the movement as you push fully through your feet and push your hips toward the sky. Return to your starting position and activate your glutes and your hamstrings at the top. Repeat with good form through programmed reps. If you're having a hard time feeling this in your glutes as opposed to your lower back, place your hands on your glutes and feel the activation. You could also drive your knees outward without actually moving them and fight that isometric pull. That'll help you to get your glutes engaged and feel it in the right muscles. This exercise is called a bench hip bridge. It's a powerful exercise to help our glutes and our hamstrings work really well together after we've been sitting too much. I've got a bench and gravity. Let's get after it. The bench glute bridge is a powerful posterior exercise. Katie's working her glutes and her hamstrings here, and it's really important that she gets good at using those muscles as opposed to her lower back. Your glutes are the biggest, strongest muscle in your body, but if you spend a lot of time sitting, they don't always like to work so hard. So if Katie can't feel her glutes moving here, I want her to put her hands on her glutes so she can feel the movement. Also, Katie has an amazing range of motion, so if you can't quite get that deep, I'm gonna have her show us a shortened range of motion, not quite to the floor, just like that. Good job, Katie.